Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS ROG Strix G513RM. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS ROG Strix G513RM has a cracked screen, you might be struggling to see your display properly. This issue can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, affecting the internal components and ultimately rendering the device unusable. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen specific for your model. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, clean surface to avoid further damage. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the back cover is off, locate the screen connector. This is often secured by a few screws, so use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them gently. Be cautious while handling the screws, as they can be small and easy to misplace. Disconnect the screen cable by gently lifting the connector from its socket using tweezers. Now, you can remove the cracked screen by unscrewing any remaining screws that hold it in place. Lift the screen carefully to avoid damaging any cables or components nearby. Position the new screen in place and reconnect the screen cable firmly. Ensure that the connector is seated properly. Once everything is connected, replace the screws to secure the new screen, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. Before closing up the device, double-check that all connections are secure and there are no loose screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your device to test the new screen and ensure everything functions correctly. To prevent this problem from occurring again, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Always handle your device with care, and avoid placing heavy objects on top of it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.